So, but we just wanted to instruct you for a few things before we let you loose on the food.
Yeah. Okay, so for the food, we're at the very first we'll be serving food very soon. Okay, so but we want to encourage everybody to get your food like table by table. Okay, so when you get the food, please be a little bit quicker because we have around 200 guests here. Okay, so we want to finish dinner as soon as possible so that we can do our main part of tonight. Okay, so please be patient and please line up. Okay, so thank you so much for your cooperation.
Now, while you are lining up and waiting to eat, we are going to play a video created by our very own Chi Chen about the history of PPMC, which is why we are here from 2012 until now. And so you can look at a montage of where we have come.
And also at the same time, for tonight, we have a raffle lucky draw tonight, okay? So it's $5 for each ticket, and you can buy as many tickets as you want.
That we're practically giving away everything.
Yeah, okay, and so what are some of the prizes that we have tonight, Jennifer?
Well, I'm so glad you asked, Lisa.
Okay.
Well, we have, it depends on what you like, but we have a $60 Tim Hortons gift card.
Wow, that sounds very good. Okay, so anybody who wants that?
All you caffeine addicts, thank you.
Okay, so what else?
We have another gift card for Uber Eats or Uber. $100.
Wow, that's what I need. Do anybody need that? Raise your hands.
Okay. I'm gonna raise mine.
Okay, so anything else?
We have for all of you Buddhist enthusiasts, we have the 100 deity Purma.
Oh, so I know
that. And so many blessings.
Okay, so that's very good. Okay, cool. Okay, so tell me a little bit more later. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yeah, okay. Cool.
Because there is one.
Okay, so our staff will be walking around selling the raffle ticket. Okay, so if you guys, so just take a look at Sarah. If you guys want a ticket, wave her over, and then and then she's gonna sell you guys the ticket. Okay, so we take cash or e-transfer. Okay, when you use e-transfer, please show us a proof of payment. Thank you.
Also, too, many of you have already noticed we have a bazaar. We're selling authentic Tibetan goods at the back. Don't be shy. If you want to purchase something, please feel free. All the proceeds go to PPMC.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so anything you want to add to that?
Membership. Some of you might not be members yet. And in case you would like to be, we have forms where you can sign up easily at the table.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Okay, so now it's the dinner time.
It's dinner.
Okay, so now we'd like to invite our chief guest of tonight, Ken Chen Rinpoche, and to go get food.
I have really nothing much to say because what I have seen and what I heard and what you all have been just gathered here in a very dedicated way for basically for the Dharma and for the support of the center and part of your kind of like a generous activity that which is kind of like helping just everybody when there is a Dharma center. Every time can learn all this kind of Dharma, which means to be a more noble person and gentle person and compassionate person and generous person and so forth, all the good things that you can just learn, and that is one of the best places you can support in all those spiritual kind of places. So I will also do kind of prayer for the success of Unnakanda Center, and at the same time that all who have participated here, you could have a healthy and peaceful and very noble mind that you can contribute just for the welfare of all other sentient beings, for the welfare of the country, for the welfare of the nation, and that which we all kind of working together with the positive intention that we could bring peace on this world. And then finally that our Tugu Doj he have started and he worked so hard, and till now it has been successful because of all your support that which kind of things can be built up, and that what it is the Buddhist philosophy that say interdependent origination, that when there is all positive causes and conditions assembled, then there will be positive experiences and positive results. So that is the principal law of this whole complete existence of phenomena, and at the same time in every individual beings that we have to support ourselves to assemble all the positive causes conditions that can be just healthy and peaceful and luxurious, and at the same time that appreciated by all each other. So thank you.
Jego da halamalam tatdre sam legi ore ni tangi tari shue da karsore pai pema mani chotsonde kashi ha ko ye mamcha ge ha ko ye jumare ni tong chungi lo ne ni teke che ne sin to jab ji kuchen bur che ke ni karsore na ठीक हो ने अनि दे pai pema mani centers in the nangke jaji karma kuchen buche ta ta maranzo shaja payu ke tinzi pena ku karisur sechi la shazur kuishimba de chande yore ani kong de chen na ne sonde ani manjun de shung ya te ke shune an danda pardola ni zo ta taji zo gondo karsure shazun dilaya ani shaton de la shuda mambo yedi kasuna tuje onwe gone ani shazun digi tandala tuje tan shaw ani shazun digi tandala niba tan shaw ani shazun digi tandala ani penjo onda tadi taring amarajo karsoda anju chijaga Gala dinarsa anju pege phanye mise never jase anju kadese pege kadde yo ding kadden de zo de ta tajin bond ko number ya sadra ji shuson anju ta chuso de and the 59 Ingleside drive la anju tong chudu ne chindi chuso ge khamba de nyere ngen ta talo lo chu ta ba kholi lo chu na lo la de so ni ta jing gong de ming de sha jo wa chen na ba ni parso de japcho program la te ne ta le ngang jo o de che tu ba chi chung a ta di ge ta le ngang jo tu chu da chi ga ten da chi on de she ge yore
Something you